Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a quick one again. This is my Amethyst that I tried to make when I was trying to do a platformer. And the reason why it's going to be quick is because my air unit decided to quit on me in the middle of summer. So I am sweating and I'm trying to get that fixed. So that being said, let's get started. As you can see, I already have my Amethyst made, and what we're going to do is add the little gleam. And we're just going to start with this. And we're going to hit play. That way we know what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and add frame. Let this be frame 3. And all I'm doing, again, following the pattern where I think it's going to go. Color that in. There we go. That looks good. So we're going to go ahead and add another frame. And man, it is hot out here. Oh, but you know what? Before I do that, I am going to start putting it right here. Yeah, I think that looks good. And like I was saying, it is hot, and as always, there's always something that comes up, you know? Now with this, is what's cool about the Amethyst is, you know, as light reflects, it starts, you know, shaping the shape of the crystal. So with this, all I'm going to do is put that here, then take my white, and I'm following the pattern of crystals. Kind of like that. That in, then right here, that up to that, like that, and just start filling this in. What's cool about the my Amethyst, like I said, because it's a unique shape, it's cool when it's all done. So we're gonna go ahead and add another frame. And again, instead of, you know, struggling with it, I just copy the original frame. That easy. Again, all I'm doing is just following my shapes. Basically, I just repeat it down here. Like that. That all I'm following. Oh, I know why it's so slow. We're back at the original speed. Maybe too fast. I'm gonna put it at 200. That's too. There we go. A lot better. Now then, we're gonna go ahead and add frame. And again, Paste that. That way I don't get distracted. Again, I'm following my shape of my crystal or amethyst. Now, I need to go back and finish watching Steven Universe. Such a great cartoon, but I never got to finish it. Okay, well, anybody says Steven Universe was a good cartoon. Like me. And then we're going to go ahead and add another frame. Again, just copy and paste. That. And again, I'm just repeating the process. That. Here we go. Now start reflecting here. So we're going to just add another frame. And then paste original. That way it shows what I'm doing. And just color it in. Don't worry about that frame. I'll go back and fix it. Just added more frames. Again, all we're doing is just repeating it. Basically do the opposite from the beginning. Then and then we add another frame. There'll be 10 frames in total. And then we'll just take these frames and adjust the speed accordingly to 100. There you go. And that is how you do that frame. And like I mentioned, a quick simple one, simply because I am in a crisis here with my air unit. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.